Hello, my name is Tatiana, and this channel is about data analytics, data science, and career in tech industry. In today's video, I would like to share my personal experience and tell you about questions that I got on a technical interview in one of the top tech companies. Moreover, I'll explain you how to get answers to questions of such type and which logic should be applied while you're solving these problems. Sorry guys, I won't say exactly from which company I've got this question. I am not sure if I'm able to share this information, but this company is one of these list. Keep watching this video if you would like to apply for data scientist positions or you are thinking about career in tech companies. And also if you want to remember how to apply probability theory to some of real-life problems. Do you remember probability theory from school or university? Could you please answer in comments below this video? Alright, let's start with a question from a real technical interview. It's not quite a simple question, it's rather complex. There are several sub-questions and each next sub-question is more difficult than previous one. Nevertheless, the task seems quite difficult to solve. The chain of problems may even help you to get an answer to a final sub-question. I mean that if the question contained only last sub-question, it would be much harder to find a solution. So relate to these sub-questions as to useful steps you need to take in order to get a final answer. The input data is following. There are n customers, each of them has a $5 coupon on a purchase, and each customer uses coupon with the probability P. The first sub-question: how to estimate expenses of this campaign? Number of clients that will use these coupons equals to n multiplied by p. Expenses equal to this number multiplied by cost of coupon, which is 5. In the end, we get n multiplied by p multiplied by 5 is total expenses of this campaign. The second sub-question: what is the probability that at least one of the clients will use a coupon? The situation that at least one of the clients will use a coupon is opposite of a situation where none of the clients will use a coupon. It's easier to calculate probability of a second situation and then simply apply a rule that sum of probabilities of two opposite situations equals to 1. This rule can be applied only if these two outcomes are mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive, meaning that they cannot both happen in the same time and no other situation is possible. In our case, there are only two possible situations. At least one of the clients will use a coupon or none of the clients will use a coupon. Now I explain how the probability of situation where none of the clients will use a coupon can be calculated. So remember that P is the probability that client will use a coupon. Then 1 minus P is the probability that client will not use a coupon. If there are n clients, the probability that none of them will use a coupon is simply 1 minus P to the power of n. Now I apply addition rule for mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive events and get an answer. 1 minus P to the power of n is the probability that at least one of the clients will use a coupon. The third and the final sub-question: given at least one of two clients used their coupon, what is the probability they both used their coupon? To solve this problem, you need to remember Bayes' theorem, or simply formula for a conditional probability. If you detect a word given in a question, this is a sign that you need to calculate a conditional probability. The formula in Bayes' theorem states that probability of event A given event B equals to probability of event B given event A multiplied by probability of event A and divided by probability of event B. In our case, probability that two clients use their coupons, given at least one of them use their coupon, equals to probability of at least one of them use their coupon, given two of them use their coupon, multiplied by probability that they both use their coupon, and divided by probability of at least one of them use their coupon. Please wait till the end of this video, just a few steps need to be taken. Probability that at least one of two clients use their coupons, given they both use their coupons, equals to 1. Because if they both use their coupons, it means that, of course, at least one of them use their coupon. From the previous sub-question, we remember the formula for a probability that at least one of n clients use their coupon. And it is just 1 minus 1 minus p to the power of n. In our case, there are only two clients, and for this case, this formula is 1 minus 1 minus p to the power of 2. Now we have everything for the final answer, and the probability of two clients use their coupon, given at least one of them use their coupon, equals to p to the power of 2 divided by 1 minus 1 minus p to the power of 2. It's wonderful. I managed to not only solve this problem, but also share its solution with you. Do you think that this question is hard? Please share your opinion in the comments below this video. Thank you very much for watching the entire video. I would appreciate if you liked this video. It will show me that you are interested in such content, and I'll make more videos about preparation to interviews, technical interviews, and stuff like this. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you find it useful and motivational. See you in next videos.